Hi anyone, today we will speak about cryptocurrency, or crypto. It's a digital currency, you know. What is crypto? Today we'll speak about history, formats like altcoins, stablecoins, litecoins, architecture, what is blockchain, what is nodes or peers in blockchain, what is mining, GPU, CPU mining. In near last time we have hard drive mining, I don't know, hard drive SSD mining, about wallets we will speak, and anonymity. Anonymity. Bitcoin is not anonymity. All transactions will saved in blockchain, so we can see who sent money, or I don't know, NFT or someone else, who sent to who, to another people. There's a wallet. We can see how many someone have in his wallet. So it's not anonymity. But if we can't how to say, we can't translate. We have to connect someone wallet to some people. If we can, it's like anonymity. We have a mixer. It's a wallet, one wallet or some wallets that many people send money to this wallet, and we write in a database who sent where, how much. So we have some evidence. This money, who is it? Oh, what's, I don't know to say. I don't know English very good. Whose money is it? It's what I want to say. We know whose money is it. It's mixer, no, and other people they can't to know who sent for who. Like we send $100 to the mixer, and someone sent $20. So in the mixer we have 120, and this man who sent 20 can send a third to another wallet, and from mixer, and they who sent 20 can send $5 to another. So we can't know who from who. Say, like someone can think it's one who sent 100 sent 5, but it doesn't. But in a mixer we have millions, like some $100, and every day it's, I don't know, 100 transaction. We can know who sent for who. It's very clever. We can use some wallets, so we can 100 for one, 100 for two, like 1,000, and send 20 to one wallet and 10 from another. Like don't send from 1 to 2, so it's not connect, but we have a virtual connect. Like we know it's $20 for one wallet, so we have 20 for another, and if we send a 10 from second, yours stay 10 for first. Like if you understand what I mean. It's virtual connections. About crypto. Anonymity. Bitcoin is pseudo-anonymous. Yeah, it's what I speak. We don't have a name who sent, but we have a wallet ID, wallet address. Transaction are publicly available in blockchain. Crypto exchange. Yeah, crypto exchange work like a mixer. Transactions fee. Yeah, it's very important. If we send money to another people, another man, woman, I don't know, you need to create a blockchain node. To create a blockchain node, we use a hash of node before, and we need to create a proof of work. What is proof of work? Proof of work, it's a hash. We hash our node and add someone random data to, it's a example of hash work, it's example algorithm. We add some data to this node to have like 20 zeros in a hash at start of hash. So our computer work, not me. Like, if I do this, I found this random data to create 20 zeros at start of hash. Blockchain algorithm writes this hash in blockchain. It's so hardy because it's a very big hash. Like someone we have 22,056 bits, but it's not big. But we have a 5,520 bits. It's too big. Like if we add some data, we change all hash. Yeah, it's a hash algorithm. It works like this. So it's hardy. We can give this work to another people, for miners. They do this work and they have a fee. Yeah, it's a fee for they. It's a fee for they. So we can in blockchain, in Bitcoin, we can choose the fee, like 1% or 10%, I don't know. So what's a bigger fee, the transaction was faster. If we send a fee 0.00001, I don't know, 20 zeros 1, it's like, I don't know, 5 hours to do that, because miners want to earn bigger money. They don't want to do this transaction because it's hard for all transaction. It's not like more money, it's harder. No, for all transactions from $1 and from $1,000, it's hard for all. So miners choose a bigger transaction to do it at first to earn more money. Yeah. About block rewards. What is block rewards? Proof of work on cryptocurrencies such Bitcoin. It's a reward for miners. Yeah, it's what I speak before. Exchange, ATMs. Yeah, now we have a Bitcoin ATM in the streets. So we scan our QR code in Binance or Bybit or another, or example, another wallet, I don't know. We send some money to another wallet, like this ATM wallet for work, and ATM give me cash. Or another, we can put a cash into ATM, and ATM send me a Bitcoin or Ether or I don't know, USDT. Yeah, we must to pay a fee for country. I don't know, like in my country it's a 9% for all business transaction. Database, social trends, United States in 2021 in 17 states passed a regulation for cryptocurrency. It's a cryptocurrency regulation, yeah. It's SEC, Security of Exchange Commission, on the 8th of July 2021. In China, in September 2017, base ICOs cryptocurrency during another window. I don't know what it means. Negative liquid effects. Crypto. So in China, a lot of people mining cryptocurrency because it's a low cost electricity. So we can, like in USA, you can work with 10 computers and pay $300 for electricity. But in China, if you pay 3,000 to electricity, you can work with 3,000 computers. It's so cheaper, yeah, cheaper. So about what? About history. Oh, a cryptocurrency was created by American cryptographer David Chow. They name it electronic money, like e-cash. Later in 1995, it changed the name to DigiCash, digital cash. It's an early form of cryptocurrency electronic payments. This allowed to do okay. No, it's not so interesting. In 1996, the National Security Agent published the paper entitled How to Make and Mint a Cryptography of Anonymous Electronic Cash, describing a cryptocurrency system. The paper was first published in the MIT mailing list, and later in 1997 in American Law Reviews. Formal definition. Yeah, it's about altcoins and stablecoins. The system does not require central authority. Yeah, we don't need a bank because every wallet is a bank. You verify your transaction and verify another transaction. If it's proof of stake. If we have some transaction who have a bypassing transaction, a fake transaction, and we must check it. Every wallet check another transaction, and we save all transaction in blockchain in your computer. Yeah, it's a lot of megabytes, but it must work somehow. We must to know who sent how much to another. You can send $100 if you have a 15 year balance. If you faked the transaction and other votes can retrieve it. Yeah, they say you don't have enough money, you don't have enough money, so you can't do this. They trying to verify and they eject this transaction. What is altcoins? The system doesn't have ownership, yeah. The system defines an okay, it's not instant thing. Altcoins. Oh, it's altcoins. It's not like Bitcoin. It's an alternative cryptocurrency. Yeah, alternative coins. Oh, someone says it's a shitcoins. It's in Wikipedia. I don't know. Paul Vigna said it's a shitcoin. Huh. It's the Wall Street Journal. Alternative version of Bitcoin. Yeah, it's it. The new model of protocol altcoin. Yeah. It's different than Bitcoin. For example, Litecoin aims to protest block every 2.5 minutes. Bitcoin 10 minutes. Yeah. It's faster than Bitcoin. It's so fast. Another example is Ethereum. They use the smart contracts. It's a decentralization application. They run it in a blockchain. We have a Ethereum virtual machine. I don't know, so we can find it. Ethereum virtual machine. EVM, yeah. What is EVM? In Ethereum you can start your Ethereum network in your computer, like you can run your Ethereum for yourself, for your friends, and you can use Ethereum virtual machine and crypto contracts, like smart contracts, smart contracts for IoT devices, like I don't know what can do, like smart cards. Yeah, you can use IoT car computer, to connect to this network and send to blockchain some data from machine. I don't know, like how many benzene, how many fuel in it, like some of this. I don't know. So we have, it's a virtual machine EVM. We have machine state, program counter PC, gas available, stack and memory in it. It's a one part. We have EVM code, virtual ROM, account storage. It's another part. We have a language for this machine. We can write it by Python, C++, JavaScript. GAS, it's like a language. Opcodes, yes, it opcodes. 00 is stop, 01 add, 02 mul, sub, div, sdiv, mod, smod, add and mod, mul and mod, explain, lt, gt, org, so, and not is 0 byte shift, yeah, 30 its address, balance, origin, color, code size, code copy, gas price. Gas it's a fee, it's like fee. Pop, jump, yeah, jump it's very important if you in a programming, if you using loops in a high level networks, high level program language like Python. We can use a for loop or while loop in assembler, or for EVM we need to use a jump, like if someone, we jump to the start of code. If not, we go and continue, yeah, continue. Push 1, push 2, push 32, oh my god. Swap, create, call code, return, create to invalid, yeah. It's 20, 25. Yeah, it's 2 bits, yeah, 2 bits. 2 bits. No, it's not 2 bits, like 4 bits. Yeah, no. 8. Yeah, it's 8-bit language, 8-bit opcodes. 20. Yeah, it's normal. It's a FF, like a max value of this. About crypto. What's stablecoin? Stablecoin, it's a program, yeah. It's a smart contract. We connect our how to say, stable level, we connect our price of stablecoin to a price like euro or USD, or I don't know, another currency like zloty and another. And if a price of dollar is bigger, so we equal our coin price and price of normal currency. So if we have $1, so our coin is equal $1. It can be some higher, like $1.90, yeah, or lower. It can be 99 cents. Because if we send money from this crypto is this crypto network, yeah, we correct price. If we use if we send in one day 1 million transaction, we have a higher price. It's easy but hard. Timestamping, yeah. Mining, what's mining? GPU price. Wallets. Yeah, we use the GPU because a video card developed for do the same works, for do the same, how to say, same, yeah, it's same works for multiprocessing in one time we can do many same works. For processor you do a difficult, like GPU can fast XORing some data or adding normal, well, only XORing or only add, but a CPU in one part of process you can do anything, so it's using more electricity, it's harder to manage, yeah. Also we can speak about SQL, why not? About programming language. SQL, it's not programming language, it's a query language. We can speak about SQLite. SQLite, it's a database, yeah. It's database using SQL language, but in another database we have in SQLite, all database, it's one file. We can have more tables in this database, but it's one file. It's a portable database. You use SQLite in your phones, in iOS, Android, in some application in Windows. If you use a Python, if you create a bots like Telegram bots, you're using SQLite because it's fast, light, yeah. SQLite, it's a pretty BD, yeah, database. What's SQLite? Yeah, SQLite is written in C, so it's fast, yeah. For these days we have how many versions? Now it's 3.39.4. The last release in September. Yeah, it's September 2022. SQLite for Windows you use in DLL. It's a library, yeah. You can use C add-ons in SQLite 3.h. It's a library for C. SQLite, it's using a SQL 92 standard, yeah, but not all. We using many, but not all commands. We using alter table, yeah, drop, and another, but for if you download SQL, you can't use for again case, yeah, it's disabled. They don't have a Unicode, but we can't edit. Yeah, with types, like if we create a table, not table, a column with integer type, it can be another type, yeah. We can in integer write a string or double, float, yeah. We haven't got any verification, yeah. We can write 1, 2, 3 like string. If you don't create a check in your code, you will have a mistake, yeah, an error. We don't have a global cache. If we don't want to have a freeze, we must configure for another configuration. Yeah, we need to write a configuration. So we have a good utility to work with SQLite. We have some sites, websites to work with SQLite. SQLite can work with Internet of Things, IoT, because it's light, yeah. It's small memory use. You can write anywhere. You can use ORM. Yeah, we can use SQLite with Django. We can use with Qt, TK Inter, yeah. In Android, yeah. It's very popular for Android because it's mounted in system, yeah. You can use SQLite with Hello library. SQLite online, yeah, we can use in browser. We have a VS, how to say that? WASM, it's like WebAssembly, yeah, the WebAssembly. I will say definition of WebAssembly. It's an optcode for browser, yeah. So we can run another language, another compilation language, compilated, like C or Go or Rust. Fortran, yeah, we can use a Fortran. Yeah. They have a language and opcodes. It's a WAT text format and WASM like binary format. We can translate a C code first to VAT and to an WASM. In a WebAssembly you can't use strings, yeah. You work only with numbers. But we can also work with raw bytes. So we can write, we have a shared memory. If you use a WebAssembly with JavaScript, we create a shared buffer and write some raw bytes to this buffer, and we can use WebAssembly to work with these numbers. Yes, but it's a raw bytes, it's the numbers. We can use WebAssembly to work with images, yeah. If you saw some sites with working in image in their browser, I think they use WebAssembly. A lot of sites, yeah. We have a Python interpreter in WebAssembly. How to say that? It's WSM Python. Compile Python to WebAssembly. How to do this? Yeah, we can use a C Python. Yeah, it's implementation for Python. You can use a C Python library to create shared libraries with Python. You can use your Python code from Go, from C++ or Java, yeah, like Java, JVM, Java Virtual Machine. So we can use TK Inter in WebAssembly. TK Inter WebAssembly. We can use it in a Canvas. Yeah, Canvas, it's like a monitor, yeah. We can write bytes of colors, yeah. We can run Linux in your browser using WebAssembly. It's so interesting. But I think it's very many information for today. So I must say goodbye. See you later.